Hey guys, Aaron does Dominoes here. Today I will be reviewing H5 Domino Creations, which is made by the #1 domino artist on YouTube, H5. This set contains 100 dominoes, 2 staircases, 3 field starters of varying lengths, a template, and a booklet. I will review the dominoes and accessories. Of course, in a domino set, you need dominoes. The dominoes in this set have very vibrant colors and flat faces. The flat faces are important because if you're going to be building on top of those flat faces, it's going to be much easier if it's flat than curved. Most brands have it a bit curved, so it's so much harder to build on top of for some techniques. The H5 Domino Creations dominoes are slightly textured, so it slides less. My style is semi-compact, which means I'm gonna have to make so many more squiggly lines. But the H5 Domino Creations dominoes are more grippy, so I can make sharper turns. The dots on the side of the dominoes are less noticeable than in most brands. The colors are more uniform. There are less faulty dominoes. In other brands, the colors can be faulty, the shape can be a bit faulty. One thing to note about the dominoes are that they're thicker than normal. I don't know if it will affect anything. I think it's just better for building structures, but keep that in mind. Now onto the domino accessories. In general, they look very professional and very well made. The field starters, they could be used as a lot of things. For example, you could use the field starters, well, as field starters. They could also be used as small to large sets, and they could even be put for elevated lines as shown on screen right now. Now, the staircase. The staircases are stackable, which means you could get really high elevations if you have multiple sets. They are very great for the start of the setups. The slanted edges help the dominoes go higher in a short distance reliably. With the field starters and the staircase, you can make bridges. These bridges I tend to find better than normal because they're very small and useful for compact setups. With bulk dominoes bridges, they're very long and weird to use in some cases. So I use other ways of crossing lines, which in some cases aren't very effective. Bulk dominoes bridges has barriers, but I don't think that's really useful in most cases. With H5 Domino Creations, you could extend the bridge with the longer field starters. So H5 Domino Creations has really good bridges, in my opinion. The templates. They can be extended with other templates, like the bulk dominoes template, but they are very sturdy, even with the extensions. I don't find this with the bulk dominoes template. They seem to flop around, and since that flopping around, I actually broke one. The H5 Domino Creations templates are similar to LEGO templates in my opinion, but the H5 Domino Creations template has rounded teeth, so it's so much easier to build. Overall, I think H5 Domino Creations is a huge upgrade. Honestly, the design of all the accessories and everything, it really helps when it comes to domino building. And I am looking forward to building with these more. To end off the video, here is a setup with everything from the 4 sets of H5 Domino Creations that I have. 3, 2, 1, go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is a different video than I normally post, but hopefully it came out well. Soon, something big is coming. I assure you, it's big and it's gonna be great. So if you don't want to miss it, hit that subscribe button And as always, see you later.